If you want to build a resume for free, no skills, and fast, so this video is for you. We will use Canva to build this resume. So let's dive in. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and search for canva.com. Press enter to open Canva website. So if you don't have account, so just sign up and create your account. So I will press login and I will continue with email. So I will log in with my email. So enter password, the password is already saved. So let's log in. You can also use your mobile to build this resume. So after opening here, we will search for resume. Press enter, so it will provide you thousands of resumes. So look at this icon, these are premium. So we will focus and we will use a free one. So here are thousands of resumes. So here you can just select style and which one you want, modern, corporate, clean, creative, minimal, which style you prefer. So just select that. For example, let's select modern one. So here we have thousands of resumes for free. So let's select one of them. Just come here down. So I will prepare this one. Okay, so let's select this one or this one. Let's open this, click on this and can customize this template. So let's increase the size, make it like this. So we can just change this name and the photo, all details. If you want to add another page, mostly one page resume is okay, but if you wanted another page, if you need it to that, just duplicate it. Let's duplicate it. After duplicating that, just remove these fields that you don't need, like image. So after removing them, select these. For example, you need another section for education, just move it to the top. You can just adjust it like this. For example, let's change our name and how to customize it. Like this. You can just resize it using these points like this. Okay, here also you can increase and decrease the size. You can change the font here. You can select another font, for example this one. So let's upload our image. So to upload our image, we will come here to the upload section and we will upload files. We will upload our image. For example, like this one. Okay, so it will upload this image. Let's drag it and place it on this one. So it will automatically replace the previous one. Let's wait. So if you want to just adjust it, just press this crop button. So we can just move it wherever you want like this. You can also change these other details, change contact, scales, professional experience and everything. And here's also, let's minimize it. So here you can apply other styles also. For example, let's come here to the list and to the resize, heading, line spacing, letter spacing. You can apply multiple things. Okay, you can also change the image, edit that. Here, lots of things. You can bold it, change the font, everything you can apply in that. Okay, so now let's download it. So to download this resume, so right now we don't need the second section. I will delete that one and come here to the share, and in share press download. By default it will suggest PDF, that's okay, and press download. So there is a premium version, I think. So while we are downloading, so look at it is a premium. So let's press download. What happened? Look at one premium image has been used in this resume. The resume, the template was free, but one image, look at this setting, this icon is premium. So we can use another resume also, but if you want to use this one, select this and remove this. Instead of this, we can just add another one. Come here to the elements and search here for setting. After searching for settings, so here we will move to the graphics now. Select graphics, so it will show the graphics icon for us. Look at, so here we have premium free version, so we will select that one. Look at this version is free. Let's bring it and we will change the color also to white. Yeah, let's change the color to white. and bring it here. Just adjust the size as you want. Share it and download it. Now this is totally free, just download it. So our resume has been downloaded, look at. So it has been opened. So this was all about how to build this resume using Canva. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.